Hello, welcome to Make It in Minutes Monday. This is Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else. Thank you for joining us today. Today we're going to be making this cute, adorable fun fold. It's actually really quick to make and just has lots of layers, so prepping beforehand is ideal. And it's featuring this cute, adorable Hearts and Hugs stamp set and matching dies that go with it right here. Super adorable. I love coloring little animals like this. They're adorable. Look at that little mouse holding a heart. Isn't that sweet? So we're going to be using the badgers today, and I already got my stamp mounted. We're going to be needing the dark and light smoky slate blends and your tuxedo memento. We're going to need all these pieces right here, and then plus we're going to need a little scrap that for stamping our sentiment on. Okay, so we are going to get started. I'm going to move that off to the side here. We're going to go ahead and ink up our image. Next, we're going to go ahead and color in our little badger friends here. First, I'm going to start with the dark. Okay, so now that we got that done, and we're going to go ahead and die cut these out. Now on this one right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to die cut it first this way, and then when I get it cut, I'll actually bring in my die cutting machine. So I already got our little animals die cut. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and make our own little custom die for this. So the die itself is longer than the sentiment, and so I'm going to die cut it once on the one side. So now we have that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it on the other end and make sure it lines up. And voila, look at that. We got that out of that. So it's kind of like creating your own custom die. Okay, so now that we got that done, we're going to go ahead and start assembling our card. So I kind of have these all together where I need them to be, so I can figure out where these go. It's actually a really fun card to put together. So we're going to give this a good burnish. Now when you get this, it's going to be 4 1/4 by 11. You're going to score it at 5 1/2, and then you're going to slide it down and you're going to cut off 1/4 or 2 3/4 by, I think it's 4 1/4. Okay, and then you're going to take that piece and you're going to cut 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. So you only have a little piece that you're getting rid of. All right, so now we're just gonna take our tumble glue and start gluing. Okay, so now we're going to be adhering this piece onto the front here, and you're just going to kind of lay it like it's smack dab in the middle of the card, and then we're only going to put adhesive on the left hand side up to this mark here because we don't want to glue it closed. So we got about 1 inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add our gray granite. This is part of our 5 combo pack that we have with the 5 colors. So we're going to be using the gray granite. Okay, so now we're going to put some dimensionals on the back of our little critters here that are giving each other a big hug. They're so cute. We're going to put some dimensionals on the back of our sending a big hug. And these are called the Basic Gray and Smoky Slate Pearls. So we have that. I don't want to forget, this is where our inside is going to go, where we sign our card. And all I did is I just lined it up and made sure that I placed it on the left-hand side underneath the front flap. So there we have it, you guys. I really hope that you like this card, and if you did like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. And if you want 5 free card tutorials and weekly inspiration, make sure you join our newsletter. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye.